You're here because you want to know how to use your crypto to buy a new house and even compete with people who are making cash offers. Maybe you bought some Bitcoin or Ether a while back, and now you're looking to capitalize on your massive returns. Well, you're in the right spot because I'm going to show you an easy way to use your cryptocurrency to buy that house you've been eyeing. Plus, you won't even have to give up stake in your crypto holdings. I guarantee you're not going to want to miss this one. And it all starts right now. What's up? And thanks for clicking in. My name is Jason, and in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to use your cryptocurrency to buy a home and compete with buyers who are making cash offers. You're going to love this method for two reasons. One, this is really simple to do, and the fees associated are really low. So anytime you can incorporate easy to do and low fees into the home buying process, you're already winning. Secondly, and actually the best part about this is, you can leverage the value of your crypto assets to secure capital without even having to give up stake in your current cryptocurrency holdings. So unless you found a seller that will accept a direct transfer of Bitcoin or Ether, what I'm going to show you is your best option to buying a home using your crypto in 2021. And if you find this video helpful, please take 1 second to hit that like button. It really does help out this channel a lot. And if this video goes over 200 likes, I will be giving away some free Ether on my next video. So just like this video and leave a comment below with your Ether address for your chance to win. All right, the platform I am going to show you today is called Nexo.io. And if you're familiar with this or if you're not, this is a really cool platform to earn money from your cryptocurrency and also leverage your crypto assets to borrow as collateral. So I'll show you what I mean by that. This is the Nexo.io website, and you can see they'll pay up to 12% interest, and you can borrow for as little as 5.9%. So what does that mean? If we go over here to the borrow tab, you can select your currency. So I'm the US, I'm going to select dollars, US dollars, but you can see they have a lot of different currencies that you can select from. And what you'll do is you'll put in your amount here, and you can put in any amount up to $2 million. So I'm going to put I want to borrow $1 million because I'm going to buy $1 million home in the United States. And this is going to tell me I need 55 Bitcoin collateral. So if I deposited 55 Bitcoin into my Nexo account, I would be qualified automatically with a very light KYC check for $1 million loan. And that loan could be paid to me in US dollars into my bank account. Now that's really cool because you get that quick in a couple of days, and then you have that cash to go out and buy the house that you're looking for. Now you have a loan with Nexo that's backed by your 55 Bitcoin collateral. However, you can pay back your $1 million in any currency that you want. So if you want to pay it back over time in dollars or another currency, you could also pay it back if you have additional Bitcoin and you were just looking to exchange that million into dollars so you could buy this home. You can do that as well. And you would only have to pay that 5.9% APR that they charge. So this is really, really interesting. And people do this, guys. If you look here, Brock Pierce, who's an actor, was in the Mighty Ducks movies, if you're familiar, bought a home in Amsterdam a year and a half ago, $1.2 million using Nexo. They funded the crypto mortgage, he put up the Bitcoin, and he paid it off. So this is really, really interesting. Now, I want to take you over to my account so you can see what it looks like. Now, I don't have a lot of money in there because I'm not looking to do a loan right at this time, but I do own some of the Nexo token. So this is their dashboard. As you can see, when you log in, it tells you up top what you can do on the platform. And I have a balance of $283.59. That's all in the Nexo token. And the Nexo token, I'll show you their page in a minute, but that's essentially a token to get better rates on the Nexo network. So you can get better rates on borrowing and earning interest as well. So what you look down here, here's all the currencies that you can deposit and all the currencies that are supported. So if you do deposit to any of these wallets, that would be the top option here. You would either earn interest or you would qualify. As you can see, I qualify based on my 283.59 over here. I qualify for a line of credit of 4160. And that's because I have the platinum membership and they have these different reward levels. So these reward levels here are really based on how much Nexo token you own compared to the total amount of ownership of your wallet. So you can see here, the borrow rate change, and so does your rate for investing, but it's based on how much Nexo you own. So if you own up to 1% of your total portfolio in Nexo, you get this base rate, and then you get these qualifying rates if you own now. So because I only own Nexo tokens, I qualify for this platinum. But if I did want to qualify for a loan or take out a loan, I would have to up my Nexo tokens, so it would be at least 10% if I wanted this 5.9. Now, when you come over here, if you do want to borrow, so you can borrow and it's paid out to you in either cash, in your own native currency, or stablecoin. So you can see I have this 4146. If I did want to do a bank transfer, this is where I'm going to have to do a light KYC check. So I could go to advanced verification, and then it's going to want to see an ID and driver's license and things like that. So I don't want to do that right now, but that would take about 1 to 2 days to complete that advanced verification. That's if you wanted US dollars deposited right into your bank account. So that's probably the option you would want if you were buying a home. They do also provide the option if you wanted to get it in USDC or Tether. So either of those stable coins with no KYC at all. Once you do this, you qualify, and you can, there's no qualifying. They're not doing a credit check or anything. It's all based on the collateral of your wallet. So they're just making sure that you're not a drug dealer laundering money or things like that, and then you're going to qualify for that loan. So you can qualify for up to $2 million at a time. Once you repay the loan, you can get another $2 million. So if you're buying a $10 million house, I know escrow periods a lot of times are 30 to 45 days. You could qualify as long as you could repay the loan in cryptocurrency for multiple loans within that period of time. So that's another cool thing. Another part that I love about this method, rather than cashing out your cryptocurrency, when you do this, again, consult with your tax professional, but you're not subject to traditional capital gains taxes like you would be if you just converted your cryptocurrency and took the gains to your wallet or to your bank account. By doing this method, by leveraging and borrowing against it and repaying it, it's almost like borrowing against your business or borrowing against your home. If we take a look at the Nexo token, like I said, it's not a governance token and it doesn't really pay for network fees, but it does get you these benefits on the Nexo network. So you get additional rates for staking, you get additional interest if you're staking the Nexo.io, which pays out a 30% annual return for dividends, and then you get the lower rates for borrowing. So those are kind of the benefits here. They also have their own card, which you can use if you wanted to borrow and get that money directly to your card. You could do that. So this is a cool platform, and I want to show you what the mobile app looks like really quick. Let's take a look at the mobile app, but first, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. If we go over 200 likes here, I am going to give away some free Ether on the next video, so don't forget, leave me that comment with your Ether address just in case you win. Now let's jump into my phone. I want to show you what the Nexo mobile app looks like. All right, here we are. This is my Nexo mobile app, and we are logged in as me, and you can see it looks pretty much the same. I have the balance here. What's really nice is you have your wallet addresses. If you did want to deposit, you just click on Bitcoin, top up, and then it's going to give you a secure address to send those funds. Once they receive your funds, you'll have immediate access to them for whatever you're approved for as far as percentage of what you've deposited, as far as what you can borrow. So you can also withdraw pretty easily as well. Like I said, I only have Nexo tokens in there, but if I did want to withdraw, I could just pick an address that I want to send to and send my tokens like that. You also can view your transaction history very easily. And like I mentioned earlier, they do have access for a Nexo card if you wanted to deposit or withdraw direct to that card. And then you have your options for your different levels and settings and things like that. So pretty sleek app, and it's really nice to use. Guys, let me know what you think about the Nexo app, and let me know if you use it to buy a house. That's all for this video. Until the next time, be safe.